Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today we will be learning Sharada Prarthana. This is dedicated to Devi goddesses Saraswati or Sharada Mata. So here, before we start with the stotram, pronunciation guide. If you know this already, well and good, you can skip to the stotram. If you don't know, please look into the pronunciation guide. If you find the letter which is in a bold, make sure you will stress the letter. If you find the letter on the top of the letter, make sure to extend like a, e, u, a, o. If you find the letter N and L in a capital, make sure your tongue tip will touch upper palate like N, L. If you find yes in a capital, make sure that you have a slight opening in your mouth when you pronounce the sh. So these are the pronunciation which you will find in the lyrics that will be posted here for the stotram. Slowly you will get a hold on these pronunciation. Until then, make sure that you will practice slowly. So here we'll start with the Sharada Prarthana. So as the name mentioned, this is dedicated to Devi Saraswati. Sharada is another name for Devi Saraswati. Let's start with the Sharada Prarthana. Prarthana means the prayer. So this is a prayer to Sharada Devi. So let's start. Namaste Sharade Devi Kashmira Pura Vasini Twamaham Prathaye Thastras Nityam Vidya Danam Cha Dehi Me. We'll recite from the beginning and with the tune I'll take it at the end. Namaste Sharade Devi Kashmira Puravasini Twamaham Prathaye Nityam Vidya Danam Cha Dehi Me. We'll go with the second stanza. Ya Shraddha Dhastras Dharana Dhastras N in a capital, tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Medha Dhastras Vagdevi Vidhi Dhistras Vallabha Bhastras. Second line, Bhakta Bhastras Jihva Handava combination, Bhakta Jihva Grasadana Bhakta Jihva Grasadana Shama Diguna Dayini, Diguna N capital. Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha Vagdevi Vidhivallabha Bhakta Jihva Grasadana Shamadiguna Dayini. This was the second stanza. We'll go with the third stanza. Namami Yamini Natha Thastras Lekha Khastras Lankrita Kuntalam Lekha Lankruta Kuntalam Bhavanim Bhastras Bhava Santapa, again Bhastras Nirvapana Sudhana Deem, Sudha Dhastras. We'll repeat completely. Namami Yamini Natha Lekha Lankrita Kuntalam Bhavanim Bhava Santapa Nirvapana Sudhana Deem. Here we complete the third stanza. Let's start the fourth stanza. Bhadrakalyai Bhastras Bhadrakalyai Namo Nityam Saraswatyai Tyai Saraswatyai Namo Namaha Veda Vedanga Vedanta Veda Vedanga Vedanta Vidya Sthanebhya Stha stress Ne bhya stress Eva cha. We'll take it from the beginning. Bhadrakalyai Namo Nityam Saraswatyai नमो नमः वेद वेदांग वेदांत विद्या स्थानेभ्य एव च. Here we complete the fourth stanza. Let's go with the fifth stanza. Brahma Swarupa Parama Jyoti Rupa Sanatani Sarva Vidyadhi Devi Vidyadhi distress Ya Tasyai Vanyai Vanyai Namo Namaha. When you say Vanyai, Vani, Yan capital, tongue tip has stretch, upper palate. We'll take it completely. Brahma Swarupa Parama Jyoti Rupa. It's not just Jo, it's a Jyo. J-Y. Jya. Jyoti Rupa Sanatani Sarva Vidyadhi Devi Ya Tasyai Vanyai Namo Namaha. Here we complete the fifth stanza. We'll go with the third stanza. Namami Yamini Natha Thastres Lekha Khastres Lankrita Kuntalam Lekha Lankruta Kuntalam Bhavanim Bhastras Bhava Santapa again Bhastras Nirvapana Sudhana Deem Sudha Dhastras. We'll repeat completely. Namami Yamini Natha Lekha Lankrita Kuntalam Bhavanim Bhava Santapa Nirvapana Sudhana Deem. Here we complete the third stanza. We'll come to the last stanza, the seventh stanza. So the first few words are similar to the previous one. Yaya Vina Jagat Sarvam Mooka Munmatta Munmatta. The slightly stress. Vatsada Vatsada. Put together Mooka Munmatta Vatsada. Ya Devi Vagadhishtatri. Vagadhi stress. Shtha stress. Vagadhishtatri. Tasyai Vanyai Namo Namaha. At the end, Iti Shri Sharada Prarthana. Prarthana tha stress. We'll repeat once again. Yaya Vina Jagat Sarvam Mooka Munmatta Vatsada Ya Devi Vagadhishtatri Tasyai Vanyai Namo Namaha. Iti Shri Sharada Prarthana. So here we complete the entire Sharada Prarthana. In the next part, we will take it with the tune completely, the complete chanting of a Sharada Prarthana. Om Namaste Sharade Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthaye Nityam Vidyadanam Cha Dehi Me Ya Shraddha Dharana Medha Vagdevi Vidhivallabha Bhakta Jihva Grasadana Shamadhi Gunadayini Namami Yamini Natha Lekha Lankruta Kuntalam Bhavanim Bhavasantapa Nirvapana Sudhanadim Bhadrakalyai Namo Nityam Saraswatyai Namo Namaha Veda Vedanga Vedanta Vidyasthanebhya eva cha Brahma Swarupa Parama ज्योतिरूपा सनातनी सर्वविद्यादिदेवीय तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः। यया विना जगत्सर्व शश्वजीवन्मृतं भवेत्। ज्ञानादिदेवी या तस्यै सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः। यया विना जगत्सर्वं मूकमुन्मत्तवत्सद या देवी वागधिष्ठात्री तस्यै वाण्यै नमो नमः। इति श्री शारदा प्रार्थना। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So here we complete the Sharada Prarthana. It is a very simple one. You can recite this on a Sharada Puja during a Navratri day. Navratri times on the Saraswati Puja you can recite this one. I'm really sorry about the background noise. It was unavoidable for me to control those background noise. If you have any doubts, any concerns, please do let me know in the comment section. If you find any corrections or any mistakes which was unknowingly which has happened, I'm sincerely sorry for that and my sincere apologies for that one. Thank you so much. See you in the next Stotram. Namaste.